Once upon a time, in a kingdom where snowflakes sparkled like diamonds, there was a brave young princess named Eira. Eira wasn't like the other princesses. She had an adventurous spirit that couldn't be tamed. She loved to wander the snowy forest around her castle, exploring hidden paths and listening to stories from the village elders about ancient magic that lay buried deep within the icy mountains. One cold winter evening, Eira overheard a story about the Starlit Cavern, a place hidden high in the North Peak Mountains. According to legend, the Starlit Cavern was where the stars themselves would come to rest, bathing the walls in a shimmering light that granted whoever found it one wish. But the path to this cavern was treacherous, filled with enchanted snow wolves, icy traps, and thick fog that could easily disorient even the most skilled travelers. Eira's heart raced with excitement. If she could reach the Starlit Cavern, she could make a wish to protect her kingdom from the harsh winter that was growing fiercer each year. So, without a second thought, Eira gathered her warmest cloak, her loyal silver wolfhound, Lumi, and a small compass that her mother had given her. She set off in the dead of night, her footsteps crunching softly in the snow as she made her way toward the North Peak. As Eira climbed higher, the air grew colder, and the shadows of the trees seemed to stretch and whisper around her. Lumi trotted at her side, his keen nose sniffing the air, alert for any signs of danger. The journey was challenging, and soon they encountered the first of the enchanted snow wolves. But instead of fighting them, Eira knelt down and offered them a handful of snowberries she had picked along the way. The wolves sniffed curiously before bowing their heads and parting to let her pass. Eira pressed on, her breath coming in frosty puffs, until she found herself at the entrance of the Starlit Cavern. It was a sight to behold. The walls of the cave sparkled, as if made of crushed stars, casting a silvery glow across the floor. At the far end of the cavern stood a single crystal, glowing with a soft, pulsing light. Eira stepped forward, her heart pounding. As she reached out to touch the crystal, a deep voice echoed through the cavern. "Only those who seek with a pure heart may make a wish," it said. Eira closed her eyes and thought of her kingdom, of the villagers who struggled through each winter, of the children whose laughter was stilled by the biting cold. She wished, not for herself, but for warmth to return to her land, so that her people could live without fear of the winter's chill. Suddenly, the cavern filled with a blinding light. Eira shielded her eyes, and when she opened them again, she was back outside, the Starlit Cavern nowhere to be seen. But something had changed. The air was warmer, and a gentle breeze rustled through the trees. Eira looked up and gasped. The sky was filled with tiny stars falling softly like snowflakes, each one carrying warmth and light. When Eira returned to her kingdom, she found the snow beginning to melt, rivers flowing freely, and flowers peeking through the frost. She had brought an end to the endless winter, and her people rejoiced, calling her the Princess of the Star-Warmed Kingdom. From that day on, every winter, tiny stars would fall from the sky, and the kingdom of Eira would remain warm and safe, a place of magic and wonder, watched over by the brave princess who dared to venture into the unknown. And they say that if you listen closely on winter nights, you can still hear the wolves howling their gratitude to the princess who wished for warmth for all.